If you've forgotten your Roblox password, you can recover your account if you've added a valid email address or phone number to your account. This information allows you to reset your password and get back into your account. So in order to reset your Roblox password, you need to go to the Roblox login page and then click on Forgot Password or Username. Choose to recover your account using either your email or phone number. Go ahead, enter your email address that is associated with your account, tap on Next, and Roblox will send you a reset password email. Go ahead, open that email and copy the code. Come back to Roblox and paste the 6-digit code over here. Roblox will ask if you want to add a passkey by which you can sign in instantly with your face, a fingerprint, or a PIN. If you want to do that, tap on Add Passkey option or simply go ahead and tap on Skip for now. Now go ahead and enter a new password over here. Confirm the same new password in the next field, then tap on Update Password. Once you have reset your password, you can go ahead and log in using your new password. So if you don't have verified email or phone number on your account, you can't use the automated password reset. You'll need to contact the Roblox support and try to prove that you own the account. And after you get your account back, you can add and verify your email address and phone number in the account settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.